and formation about Acer platanoides. Acer platanoides, commonly known as the Norway maple, is a species of maple native to Europe and Western Asia. It is widely planted as a shade tree and ornamental tree in many parts of the world, including North America. The Norway maple can grow up to 40 meters tall, with a trunk diameter of up to 1.5 meters. It has a dense, rounded crown and its leaves are large, 10 to 20 centimeters in diameter, and have 5 lobes with pointed tips. The leaves turn yellow in the fall. The tree produces small, yellow flowers in the spring, which are followed by paired samaras, or winged seeds, that are 4 to 6 centimeters long. The seeds are often dispersed by the wind and can travel long distances. The Norway maple is tolerant of a wide range of soil conditions and can grow in full sun or partial shade. It is also resistant to pollution and can tolerate urban environments. However, the Norway maple is considered an invasive species in some parts of North America, as it can outcompete native plants and reduce biodiversity. Its shallow root system can also cause problems with sidewalks and other infrastructure,